Meet Iranian Mobin multipurpose ground-launched unmanned aerial vehicle. It can supposedly fly up to 45,000 feet high for 45 minutes and has a warhead of 12 kilograms. The Mobin is the first UAV of its kind in the world, designed to penetrate enemy defenses and get past incoming missiles. It can function as both an attack and reconnaissance drone and is equipped with radar-evading stealth properties. The UAV has a 3 meters wingspan and a low radar cross-section of less than 0.1 square meter. It has an exclusive compartment at the nose section of the body which allows the installation of various warheads weighing up to 120 kilograms. The payload compartment of the missile has a volume of 116 liters.